Ponderosa studio here at UBC. I do live in one of the newer buildings here at Ponderosa, so you might notice that my layout is slightly different. I think I just got really lucky and I hope you'll enjoy the video. This is an overview of the room. So I'm first gonna start with the washroom. So when you walk right over, you just have the mirror, and then right over here I just have a small snake plant with moss that my mom made. And then right in this corner I just have my face wash, hand sanitizer, and hand soap. So I'm surprised that I actually have a large countertop, so I'm really grateful for that. It makes things much easier. And then just below it I have a compartment for all my other household items, so it's kind of messy. But over here I just have my laundry detergent, some dryer sheets, extra shampoo and conditioner, a first aid kit which is really important, some band-aids, cotton wipes, and Tylenol. So just household stuff. And then just below it I have another compartment filled with household items that I'm not going to show because it's really messy. And then over here I just have my hand towel and my 2 towels, all from Ikea. Then here I just have this compartment where I store all my skincare products. So over here I just have my body lotion, toothpaste at the back, and my toothbrush, some makeup remover, some toner, and some moisturizing lotion. And then I have some cotton wipes and some Q-tips. These cases are from Ikea, if anyone's wondering, and some floss and just my perfumes at the back. So it's really nice and organized. And then over here I have my walk-in shower. So what I have in here is just my body soap, my loofah, and just a small compartment here for my shampoo and conditioner and the shower. So, oh yeah, and this bath mat that I got from Ikea as well. So this is the overview of the shower. So coming out from the washroom, there's just my kitchen. There's also a sliding door for the washroom, so that's pretty nice. I have a doormat from Ikea. Okay, over here I just have my fridge. It is a full-size fridge, so that's really nice. I get to store a lot of food in there. But on the fridge there's just some Polaroid photos of my friends, a UBC magnet, as well as a UBC solder magnet. And on the corner here I just have this storage compartment for my umbrella, as well as the broom and the mop given by housing. So this is just a really nice compartment to keep everything inside. We have the thermostat just for the heater for winter. And then up there I just have more storage that I just keep boxes in because I can't really reach the top, so I just throw random stuff in there. In my fridge, this is how much space there is. There's not really much stuff in there because I'm running out of groceries, but it's really spacious, so that's really nice. As well as the freezer, it has 3 levels, so you can store a lot of food. And then at the side of the fridge I just have some big plant that I thought would be nice because it looked really empty before. It just gives it a little more life. And then going to this corner, I just have some command hooks for my 2 bags that I use the most, some face masks, and my housing keys. And then I have my shoe rack. So I got this shoe rack from Walmart. I think it was $8, so it's a really good deal. I just have my shoes on there. And then over here I just have my paper towels, my rice cooker, and my water bottle. And below it I just have my microwave and more storage compartment right here, so I just keep a few items on here. Over here I just have some pans and some onions. And then over here I have my oven and my stove, so this is really nice. Over here I just have more storage, so this is more than enough for 1 person, so I technically just use the 2 storages that I can reach. I just have more food on here. Here as well, I just store more boxes, so it's not really a storage space, but rather for the stove. And then over here I just have my sink and my dishwasher. So I just use my dishwasher to store my plates because I don't really use the dishwasher that often, so I just store my plates in there. I have the waste bins over here, and then some soap, and then we have two huge compartments full of food. So I just have some basic cooking essentials here, some snacks. But yeah, you can see it's more than enough for one person, so I just like store everything on here. And then over here I just have film photos that I've developed and put them on my board, so I am trying to get more pasted down there, so it just looks really cute. And that is an overview of the kitchen and hallway. So moving on to my study table, this is just an overview. So over here we just have the chair given by housing. Underneath we have the recycling bin as well as just a general bin. Tissue boxes on here. I got this lamp from Ikea for only $5 and it works really well. So if you guys are looking for a lamp, this is a really good choice. My sign is from a souvenir store. I have a photo over there. And this phone stand that I also got from Ikea. It works really well, and I think it's only $2, so if you guys are looking for one, you can have it there. Next I have a laptop stand and my laptop, as well as my glasses under there. And over here I just have my disposable film camera, as well as my wallet, pencil holder, and my fake plant, also from Ikea, and my planner. And then I have this mirror. It's huge. It's from Ikea. I use this as my makeup mirror, so it's been really nice and easy in the morning. So this is an overview of my study corner. Right on top of it is just a TV, so it's really huge. So I just got an HDMI cable if I want to watch Netflix on there. Yeah. And then right below I just have this space where I store all my stationery. So over here I just have my pencil box, some books, more notebooks, laptop case, and more notebooks right at the back. Over here I just store more of my stationery. So I got these clear cases from Dollarama, really good, and they fit really nice on here. So here I just have some memo pads, some tape, and my mouse. Over here I just have my laptop cleaner, erasers, and refills. And then on this one I just have some pens, colored pencils, correction tape, and more red pens. And below I just have a mess. So I have my film photos in here, pencil cases, and other. I have an extension cord, but surprisingly I've not been able to use it since I have a lot of outlets in here. And then right below the study corner, this extra counter space over here. So what I use this for is to store my makeup. So I store my makeup all in these clear holders from Ikea. So these are just makeup and other essentials, my lipsticks and cheek tints, my scrunchies, and my accessories. I actually got this clear case from Dollarama again, so definitely check their stuff out. And over here I just store my jewelry. So this clear case is from Daiso and has a bunch of compartments, so I just store a bunch of my jewelry on there. And then right beside my makeup I just have this plant that my mom got me, and she just put it in a mason jar. I think it's dying because it's really brittle, so I don't touch it, but hopefully it stays. Right above here I have my Frank Ocean poster that I got from Redbubble, if anyone's wondering. It's huge. I absolutely love it on this corner because before it was really empty, but now it just fills up a really nice spot here. And right beside my makeup corner I just have this full-length mirror from Walmart. I got this for $11, so I think this was the best buy I've got for my dorm. It just sits in this corner right here, but it's really cute, so definitely check Walmart out if you're looking for a full-length mirror. And then right over here I just have this plug that's hidden behind the curtains for my LED lights. So I'm gonna show you guys how it looks in just a bit. And then not forgetting about this corner, I just have this fluffy rug, again from Ikea. And then in this corner, I just have more shelvings for my clothes. So I just have my pants over here. And then right below it, I just have some clothes. These organizers are again from Ikea. I have my hair straightener, my LED box, and just some photos. So this is just an overview of my makeup and study corner. Yeah. So moving on to the bedroom, this is just an overview of my room. So starting with the bed, I believe my bed is a queen size bed. And the sheets and pillowcases are just from Ikea. I got them at a really good price. I think they were $30 if I'm not wrong. There's also a duvet under there, which I got from Ikea, and very affordable. I think about $12. So if you're looking for dorm room essentials, definitely check Ikea out. I got my 2 pillows though from Walmart, and I believe they were just $13 to $16. So really good deal. Again, Walmart, Ikea are your best bet if you want dorm essentials. And then over here, I don't know if you guys know BTS, but I just have Jimmy on my bed. He is from the BT21 collection of BTS. And then I just have 2 nightstands on my bedroom and the headboard. So I just use my fairy lights on there. And then over here, I just have my diffuser, my candle from Ikea again, and then I have this night light, so we can just turn it on over here. And below this, I just store like a bunch of my items. So my wallet, essential oils, eye mask, and then some chargers and the remote for the TV. I don't really know what's in here, so I'm not gonna open it because it might be messy. But over here, we also have these 2 switches. So this one's for the light above the bed. It's really cute. And then the light for the closet. So this is an overview of the closet. So in my closet, I just hung up a bunch of my clothes. And I got that divider thing from Ikea once again, and I store all my pajamas in there, my socks, and other miscellaneous items. I have my luggage right there, my laundry hamper, and then over here I have more storage for clothing. At the back, there's a safe, so that's really interesting. I have not used it, so it's probably not gonna be in use anytime. I just have UBC sweater on here, and then my other luggage. So that's just an overview of my closet. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I tried to color coordinate my clothes just so it makes it easier to find my stuff. But yeah, this is my closet. Moving to the other side of the bed, I just have this moss that my mom got me. These 2 sides are empty, so not much in there. Again, another night light. And the outlets actually have a USB port, so it's really convenient if you want to charge your phone. And then on here, I just have my fairy lights. And moving on to the view, so this is my view. Again, I live on a high up floor, so I'm really lucky to be able to enjoy this view. I just have the mountains and the ocean, as well as other buildings of the school. So over there you can see the clock tower, as well as IKB and other upper year residences like Gage and I think Brock Commons, I'm not too sure. And then over on this side, I just have another residence. I think it's Place Vanier and the ocean. So it's really nice. I also have my window, so these are huge. And instead of blinds, I have blackout curtains, so these are really nice. And they really make your whole room really dark, so that is just how it looks. And then below, I just have the heater, as well as my spring onion plant, but I think it's on the verge of dying, I'm not too sure. So I just have unlimited amounts of spring onion. So this is just an overview of my room here at Ponderosa.